Hi, it's Rob here, and welcome back. So we're going to be following on from the previous video, which is we went into the keywords and what we should be targeting in looking at dominating and getting onto first page listings for numerous keywords. So what I wanted to show you was the competitiveness and the various degrees of competition for particular keywords and what you should be wary of and what you should be looking for. So we're back here with Sydney Skincare, and as you can see, it is fairly competitive. It's got a full listing, A to G, and each one of these listings, except for this one down here, the Spa by F, has no reviews. This one he's got one, and this one up here, the George Street Skin Clinic, Skin Cancer Clinic, also has no reviews. So just looking at that, it is possible to get into here and even up the top here, but it's going to take some work and doing, which is all covered in the videos. Looking at the next one, we find it's pretty much the same thing. A and G, it's full. There's a bit less here with no reviews, and even the ones that do have reviews only have a few. So definitely a possibility, especially for a keyword such as this one here, which is pretty highly targeted, which I know because here's the listing for my previous client. So down at here, D, we definitely want to get them up to here. Let's have a look at this next one. Okay, so this is what we call a low-hanging fruit. Hardly any competition. Up here we've got 1.1 million search results. So the competition is there for organic search results, but on the Google Maps, it's fairly easy picking. It's still going to take a bit of work, but as you can see, they're in here at B. And looking good here with all those lovely golden stars and 12 reviews. So it's definitely one to be looking for. And the last one I'm going to show you is what we call the one box. Okay. That's not what I wanted to show you. Hold on. Let's go back to the listing. Alright, while it's refreshing, let's have a look at this one here. Now this is definitely high, super high, hard to reach. You need an extra long extension ladder to reach these ones, because look at these reviews that you got to compete with just to get in here. And if this is your keyword, pizza, with 2.4 million results, Pizza Sydney, well, that's the keyword, then, and you want to go for it, you can. It's going to take a lot more work to do. I mean, this guy here hasn't even got his own website, but he's up there. And Crust Gourmet Pizza Bar, they're creaming it. I'm sure they're getting tons of traffic on this listing. So it's super competitive. It can be done, but it takes a lot more effort and time and energy. And this is the one I want to show, the one box, which is Deme de la Creme, the top of the top. I mean, if you can get one of these going, great. And when you do come across a one box for a particular keyword, realize this, that you can actually get that position, but it does take a bit of effort and time. For whatever reason, Google's offered and given this beautiful one box position right at the top of this listing here, but if you target it, you can definitely take over that one box with a bit of effort, time, and patience. And that's pretty much about it for the keywords and what you should be targeting. And just to wrap up, you should have your list of targeted keywords that you want to, they're your goal, that's what you're listing for, and then you should have another amount of keywords that you need to add to your listings when we do tweak them, which will be coming up in the next video. And apart from that, we're all good. So until then, I'll see you in the next video.